Hi, Mr. Eckert here, and in this video we're going to talk about HTML tables. Now, tables can be used to represent various data for surveys and that kind of informational purposes. Generally, they were used way back in the day to kind of lay out a website. Don't do that anymore, but for data, they're still used. So to make a table, I'm going to do a less than and a table, okay, then the greater than. Within the table tags, I'm going to have table rows. That's less than, tr, and greater than. Okay, I'll make a few of these. So let's start off with 3 rows. Okay, and then within the first table row, you want table headings. Let's do 3 of these as well. I'm just going to copy and paste those. These are table headings. Let's just say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then within the other table rows, we're going to have table data. So that's a less than, td, and then greater than. So let's say, I don't know, 4, 5, and 6. And then let's do 7. Okay, we guessed it, 8. And then 9. All right. I'm going to hit Control S to save it. Let's take a look at what that comes out as. So that's a table. We could make it a little bit more informative. We don't know what 4, 5, and 6, what that represents. So let's change Monday to day. And let's make this a little bit bigger table. 2 more. Change that to Thursday. Let's do Friday. Saturday, Sunday, and we'll put it on Monday there. Okay, now this is going to look weird. Okay, it doesn't work out that well. And then under day, I think I'm going to put like chickens, like the number of chickens, and then the number of hens. Okay, and I'm just going to copy these. Let's take out 1. Okay, and copy these as well. Okay. We can do that, and then so we've got chickens per day, I guess. Yeah. Actually, under day it should be something like animal, something like that. And then on Monday you had 5 chickens. Wednesday, Monday 8 hens, so on and so forth. Okay, you can also do stuff like make a, let's see, I'm going to do a call span equals 2. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so you'll see now we have 2 numbers. Okay, I could change that to row span. Let's see that. And that covers 2 rows. Okay. You can do stuff like that with tables. You can also define a border. Okay. So you can do that. All right. You got a nice border. The outside border is the 10. The inside, I think it defines it as 1 pixel. You can make it all 1 if you want. All right, like that. Make a nice little border. Let's Let's see what there's a bunch of things you can do. You can do a background color. Let's do yellow. Okay. Then the table is yellow for the background. You can do cell padding. Okay. Space it out like that. Space out the table. You can do cell spacing. Do that. Okay, that spaces out in between the cells. I don't particularly care for that. Bring it back to 0. Okay, that brings the spacing all back together. There's naturally a little bit of spacing, so if you don't define it, let's take that out. Control save. You notice there's a little bit of spacing. I like it with no spacing, so let's put that back in. Okay, so you can get your table looking like that with a lot of cool things like that. Let's see what else. Oh, you can do the width. Let's say 400. Okay. That's not going to do anything. That's 800. That widens it beyond the regular table. Let's say I take that out again. The other one, 400 was already, save that. 400 was above what it was. So it brings it back down. I could make the width really big. Okay, something like that. Really expand it out. You can do a lot of things with tables. For longer tables, you can have the tags table head for the head part of the table, table body for the main content, and then table foot for the footer part of the table. Again, those are longer tables. I would do, a lot of times you can just get by on a shorter table like so, and just do it like that. You got your information, and you can set it up however you please. Let's see, chickens. Let's try chickens with a call span equal to 3. And let's take out 2 of these. Okay. Now, we can change the table like that. That doesn't really make much sense that you have chickens defined as under the day, or but you can do that. You can do the same thing with the row span. I can just bring it back to normal. But actually, I got messed up because I didn't put the 2 last days, so I have to put those back. So you have to keep it aligned with the same amount. And that's pretty much what it is when it comes to tables. If you do have questions, leave questions in the comments below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.